Hello, my name is Jennifer Alexander, and I am in CIS-257, and this is for Project 3. The first question is, after you complete lesson 13-5, do the following. Show me the orders table in the Power Pivot Data View, and I do have that open. Orders in Power Pivot Data View. Show me how many rows are in the orders table. So I have it open to orders. There are 11 rows that I have. Okay, and then question 2, after you complete lesson 13-5, do the following. Show me the context worksheet you created in the orders 9 file and explain why sum of CC, sum of order value, and CM, sum of order value, are different. So I have that open here. And how they are different. The CC, or calculated column, has now context. It does not respect the now and column headers, so this shows incorrect results. The CM, or the calculated measure, has filter context. So the aggregated values respect the context of now and column headers, slicers, and reports and filters. Therefore, the calculated measure is correctly returning the sum of order value by category. Okay. Question 3, show me the power pivot table you created in the session 13 exercise. Let me open that. Okay, and show me how your file matches the image in step 11. And then I have step 11 right here to the right. So my image matches. Question number 4, read through Apex A, Power Pivot rules, explain in your own words the naming conventions recommended by Mr. Smart versus the naming conventions recommended by Mr. Kimball. And I have that written down here. Mr. Smart says, don't be afraid to break the rules when you have a good reason to. Mr. Smart uses the generally accepted rules as well as some of his own rules. The author of our current book, Mr. Smart, speaks a lot about using plain English names. He states that Mr. Kimball's original methodology uses more cryptic language, such as a prefix of FCT instead of the word fact. This can be used in a star schema as FCT underscore orders, for example. This would exclude ordinary users from understanding this. One other thing Mr. Smart says, it is an advantage to use plain English because the tables and data models will work better with the Q&A tool in Microsoft's Power BI product. This product enables users to type natural language queries. And an example of one of these queries is list all orders by product and month. I think that Mr. Smart seems to have made a few new good rules to improve that so that regular people can use this. Thank you.